ChatGPT is an AI-powered language model developed by Openai, an artificial intelligence research laboratory. Language models are algorithms that can process and generate human language using machine learning techniques. ChatGPT is one of the largest and most advanced language models available today. ChatGPT is designed to understand natural language input and generate human-like responses. It can be used in a variety of applications, such as chatbots, virtual assistants, language translation, and more. ChatGPT is based on a type of neural network called a transformer, which allows it to process large amounts of text data efficiently. Please subscribe for an incredible upcoming. ChatGPT is continually learning and improving as it interacts with users and receives feedback. It can understand and generate text in multiple languages. ChatGPT is able to generate responses that are contextually relevant and grammatically correct. ChatGPT can be used for a wide range of tasks, from answering trivia questions to based on user preferences. ChatGPT can also be used to generate creative writing, such as poetry or fiction. ChatGPT is typically used as part of a larger system, such as a chatbot or virtual assistant. As with any AI technology, there are concerns about the ethical use and potential misuse of ChatGPT. ChatGPT has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology and each other for opening up new possibilities. As the field of AI continues to evolve, ChatGPT will play an increasingly important role in shaping the future of technology. Researchers at Openai designed and trained a neural network-based language model called GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer. The final version of ChatGPT is extensively tested and refined to improve its accuracy and responsiveness, to result in a sophisticated and powerful language model that can be used in a wide range of applications.